Hey, good morning. You know, I saw a bunch of great photos of football stadium food platters on the internet, and of course I was challenged by it and I wanted to make my own. So this is the result of it. I'm going to show you how it's easy to make. I wanted to make it simple for you guys so you weren't making yourself crazy. It starts off with a bunch of sheets of 18-inch square heavy-duty aluminum plywood, listen to me, aluminum foil. All you do is you take 18-inch squares, you fold them together so the edges meet right like that. You fold it over one more time to make a long rectangle. Pretty simple, right? You take the rectangle, you take these edges, you crimp them together a couple times, so you end up with a little circle right here, and you turn that little circle into a rectangle, just like that. So you just make little corners and edges. The next step is just to cut the front of it down 1 inch to fold a little flap there, and the sides become little flaps as well. So that's basically all you're doing, and these little boxes sit side by side in my little platter that I made right there. And then what I also did was, for the inside ring, these are all little tiny ones, and then for the corners, all I did was take this little guy, fold it, and fold it over, so I had a little pie wedge. So there's 2 pie wedges right there and 2 rectangles that go all the way around the rest of the way. And then I folded that into fourths for the inside one. For the outside one, I folded into thirds, so it's a little bit taller, and I made a similar sized box. Very, very straightforward. And again, this is going to be very detailed for you on our website, so you don't have to worry about getting it too tight. But that becomes this rectangle, and this rectangle basically wraps all the way around the entire thing once again as well. And then once I've done that, I get fun with cream cheese. Very simple thing with cream cheese. You take cream cheese, you take pieces of graham cracker, and just slather it on the back of that little puppy, and it sticks right on the front of that. So not only is it decorative on the outside, but you can just peel it off and eat it if you want to. And on the front as well, I did the same thing with little crackers there, and the crackers do the same thing. For the field, I took some guacamole, and these are just pasta, but I used pasta to make the little lines. On the outer edge, I used some salsa. So the basic information is pretty straightforward. I took these little baby flags, wrapped those around the top, and I filled it with all kinds of goodies on the inside. This information and a very detailed way of making this thing is on our website.
And also in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes, more ideas, and lots more fun stuff still to come.